Located in Santiago de Querétaro, Mexico, architect Axel Duhart created an interplay of forms and forces that shape spaces which, with transparencies and opacities, can be appreciated both from the outside and the inside, by day and by night. The field surrounding this residence extends the comfort found within, rich in textures. Metal and concrete are the elements that support this house with such aesthetic lightness that its strength is incorporated into the geometric play. The metal structure and concrete columns are visible and compose an internal sculptural garden from which one can appreciate the expansive field surrounding the building through the floor-to-ceiling windows. Just as there are large blocks of transparency, there are also their closed counterparts. From certain angles, the house does not allow the gaze to pass through, but it does not deny the enjoyment of the architecture, for it is here that its sculptural forms stand out even more. At the Campanario 2 house, the geometric shapes are arranged so naturally on the site that it seems as if a giant, for fun, had whimsically placed them there. In reality, this project by Axel Duhart is based on the strength, balance, and harmony of two bodies that intersect and stabilize each other, creating a home that is pleasant both inside and out. The play of transparency and opacity occurs both inside and outside. Inside, wood, exposed concrete, furniture, and textiles contrast with the transparency of the glass, which conveys a sense of spaciousness, although it actually delimits through a screen that features a grid of rectangles, through which natural light enters to reach every corner of this house with touches of comfortable minimalism. All the materials with which it was built are from the region. High technology is present in bathrooms, kitchens, and other systems that make this sustainable residence function, and due to its lighting design, it is a pleasure both at night and during the day.